which one could turn the board over where it would hold down from the other way.
It would pinch it down.
But anyway, that's the theory.
It's pretty cool.
And I'm disappointed in the results, actually.
I think this is what gave us the grief.
But you're right, if we flipped it to the back side,
you almost need to cut it in the natural way that it's going to lay when you unclamp everything.
I usually work hard on the miscellaneous parts to where they'll either lay flat or clamp flat.
See, with a piece like that, the more bark you have in there, the more unstable it is when you dry. Because if you get something with a lot of bark, it pulls on drying way more than something that has solid. So that's why those pieces, especially if you get a cut and you've got solid, then you've got a chunk of bark, then you've got solid again, that board's going to dry like a horseshoe because the bark is going to pull it in directions.
But anyway,
that's cool. We get the concept.
I'm disappointed, actually.
Well, you want to route it again? I bet you got it flipped like this. It would do the trick.
I think the other side is because of the unevenness of that board being up on one side, and it gives it a little deflection or an angle to your cut.
Well, just for the fun of it, y'all want to do it again? To satisfy our curiosity.
That's where the bottom is sitting so well, and the top is off that little bit.
Yeah, and then if you do the other way, you don't really care about the top.
Tell you what, let's get it like
reference line.
Get it like we're real happy with it. Dude.
What are you hunting?
I was looking to see if I should have had pencil in my back pocket.
Just that. I can assure you, I've never one done quite this weird. I got my mark here, so that don't look right.
So got to go your way. Let's get closer there.
We're going to be a little off because of the excess 3.5 inches at the base.
Right. Oh, right. Because that's throwing a different radius. Because of that offset, yeah.
Just doesn't look right.
That looks closer.
Well, this never cut, so we really need to be referencing a half.
Right. I was looking there. Okay.
Let's just use our reference mark and see what happens. I guess I ought to clamp it down. Well, there ain't nothing clamped down right now, is it?
No, sir.
I guess we better clamp it down.
We got to see where this is going to lay, right? So we can clamp in the right spot.
Clamps on it. Good enough. There's the mystery. You gonna shove that 1/4 inch on down there just for fun of it? Okay, now that causes me a problem.
Clamp down the front board, right?
Yes, sir. it's laying better.
Yeah, I was thinking that might take care of